Welcome. I'm here to give a brief introduction about GD&T, that is Geometrical Dimensioning and Tolerancing on behalf of Quality India. Introduction. In order to properly plan the process to make a part, you must first understand the part designer's intention. Geometric dimensioning and tolerancing is a method by which designers specify the geometric form of parts. The definitions and conventions used in this course are based on ISO standard. For additional information, you can refer to Bush 1989 Fundamentals of Dimensional Metrology, Delmer Publishers, New York. Geometric deviations. Types of geometric deviations: surface discontinuities, roughness, waviness, edge deviations, form deviations, size deviations, orientation deviations, and local deviations. Waviness and roughness. One technique for distinguishing between roughness, waviness, and form control is by the spacing to depth ratio. The slide illustrates this for waviness and roughness. Roughness is measured at a much smaller scale than waviness and is an indication of very small local imperfections in a surface. Roughness is produced by the direct effect of the cutting process, chip formation, deformation from blasting, crystallization, corrosion, and other chemical processes. Size deviation. Deviation of actual local size from nominal linear size or from nominal angular size. Actual local linear sizes are assessed by 2-point measurements. Actual local angular sizes are assessed by angular measurements of averaged lines. Form deviation. Deviation of a feature, geometrical element, surface or line from its nominal form. Assessed over entire feature unless specified otherwise. Spacing or depth ratio greater than 1000:1. Produced by errors in guideways and bearings, deflection of cutting tool and fixture, fixture errors, and tool and fixture wear. Orientation deviation. Orientation deviation is a deviation from nominal form and orientation. An orientation deviation must be related to one or more other features which are referred to as datums. The datums must be defined first before an orientation tolerance can be specified. The slide shows a parallel orientation. The feature being controlled must be lie within a tolerance zone that is oriented parallel to the datum surface. Position deviation. Position deviation is controlled relative to a datum. A nominal position, distance, and direction is given relative to a datum. The position tolerance defines the maximum permissible deviation from this nominal position. The deviation is shown in green. Position deviation encompasses both orientation deviation and form deviations. Summary of deviation. Orientation is refinement of location. Form is refinement of orientation. Tolerances versus symbols. Form tolerances. A form tolerance specifies how far an actual surface or feature is permitted to deviate from the desired form specified in a drawing. This includes flatness, straightness, circularity, cylindricity, profile of a surface, and profile of a line. Profile tolerances includes lines and surfaces. Orientation tolerances, related features. An orientation tolerance specifies how far the actual orientation between two features is permitted to deviate from the perfect orientation given in the drawing. This includes perpendicularity, angularity, and parallelism. Runout tolerances, related features. A runout tolerance specifies how far an actual surface or feature is permitted to deviate from the desired form given in a drawing during full rotation of the part on a datum axis. There are two types of runout: circular runout and total runout. Location tolerances, related features. A location tolerance specifies how far an actual feature is permitted to deviate from the perfect location given in a drawing as related to datums or other features, includes position, concentricity, and symmetry. Other symbols, the characteristics are maximum material condition MMC, least material condition LMC, datum feature and basic dimension. Feature control frame. The figure is a reference for tolerance. The tabular column is the overall summary of symbols which are used in drawing normally. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video, and if you really like it, click the subscribe button. திருப்பி இன்னொரு வாட்டி படிக்கிறேன் போட்டு இன்னொரு வாட்டி போடுறேன் எது வேணுமோ எடுத்துங்க இன்னொரு வாட்டி பண்ணால் கரெக்டாக வந்துடும்